gbogbo ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nǹkan wọ̀nyí wọ́n ti ṣe àwa fẹ́ gbé wá sí gbàgede gbangba live. Unfortunately wọ́n get it right. Wọ́n were able láti lo over 26 to 30 tones, different tones to mú music dùn. Wọ́n ti program yẹn sílẹ̀, wọ́n forí sí. Àwa pẹ̀lú ẹni tó kọ́kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ gbogbo àwọn nǹkan wọ̀nyẹn in the 80s. I remember my trip to America 1982. My tour of America 1982, I went on that tour with just my Mr. Machine. Mr. Machine, we will prepare over 50 different tones. Tí mo ti gbé oríṣiríṣi nǹkan wọnú ẹ̀, òun ni mo fi ṣe tour ní America nígbà yẹn. Mo dey cover over 17 states of America. Èrò dẹ̀ kúnnú venue. As a matter of fact, nígbà pé yẹn ni pé ó costless. Torí pé promoter tó ṣagbátẹrù gbogbo nǹkan yẹn, èmi nìkan ni ó ra tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì fún. Yàrá hòtẹ́ẹ̀lì yàrá kan ló gbà. Kò kó èrò 22 dání. Bẹ́ẹ̀ mo ti lọ sí tour ní tí mo kó 28 band lọ sí tour. Ó fàyẹ́lẹ̀ kí nígbà tá a ṣe tour tán, ṣe ló fàyẹ́lẹ̀ kí àwọn 17 out of 28 kan sálọ. Wọ́n kún ìwé ìbò káàkiri báyìí sí. Mo ṣọ́ pé Ṣínà Peters tó jókòó iná ti lose band, King Sunny Adé ti lose band, Fẹ́mi Aníkúlápó ti lose band, Fẹ́mi lose band. Every musician tó bá kó band travel, ó lose band lójoojúmọ́. Ẹ bá mú opportunity wá fún wọn pé kọ́ ẹni ṣó ń lo ìbò tó bá débẹ̀, tara bí mo rò débẹ̀ ló máa kọ́kọ́ yọjú. Gbogbo nǹkan wọ̀nyí tí wọ́n bá padà wò ó jẹ́ ká lose value fún good music tó yẹ kó jẹ́ originality kó wá láì yàtọ̀ sí Mr. Machine, because Mr. Machine kan máa continuously máa repeat nǹkan yẹn kan ni. But I can tell you Olómele mi tó lo chord, Olómele chord can be tutored on performance wa yìí. Omele mẹ́rin ló máa gbé wọnú performance yẹn. A máa wọlé, a máa jáde, a máa wọlé, a máa jáde pẹ̀lú omele mẹ́rin fún chord nìkan. Olómele high-tone ní tiẹ̀, ẹ̀jì táwa ń pè ní ẹ̀jì ó ní tiẹ̀. Ẹ̀jì yẹn backing ni, ìyẹn jẹ́ fallback fún lady drummer. Ẹ̀jì wà ní sákárà náà, ẹ̀jì yẹn làwa introduce nígbà tí iṣẹ́ táwa wọnú iṣẹ́ yẹn láti sọ sákárà di nǹkan tí tà ní 2 sakaras. Mo ti lọ 3 sakaras rí nígbà tá a fẹ́ fa power iṣẹ́ yẹn, a fẹ́ gbé iṣẹ́ yẹn lárugẹ. Gbogbo àwọn ọkọ̀ wọ̀nyí sí ìbéèrè tí ẹni ìbéèrè ó ní ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀, a lot láti add, a lot láti minus. Technology ó ṣe pọ̀ dáadáa o, but at the same time ẹ̀rù tó ń bà wá tí a ṣiṣẹ́ lórí ẹ̀dùn ni pé ó sọ èrò 100 tó ní iṣẹ́ on a daily basis níbi kan, ó sọ wọ́n di èèyàn mẹ́fà tí ó níṣẹ́ tí àwọn 94 tó wà níṣẹ́ mọ́. Tó sọ wọ́n di nìyẹn ẹni ìkejì. Ẹ bá wò from time immemorial tí Michael Jackson bá lọ wọ́n tó bá lọ tọ̀ fún gbogbo kàríà ẹ̀ láti pàtó wà kékeré, wọ́n reduce ní àwọn area kan, wọ́n pọ̀ sí ní àwọn area kan. Area kan bá ti fẹ́ play music tí ó ní value, wọ́n máa ní band, they will use full band. Area kan bá ti fẹ́ ṣe quick music, wọ́n á lo sequence, wọ́n á sequence music. So ju gbogbo ẹ̀ lọ, bàbá tiẹ̀ ní kí Lámídé, Davido, Tiwa Savage, gbogbo wọn yẹn kọ́ máa lọ kó band jọ. Are we not making the life very difficult? Are we not trying to tie the world back to a advance iwájú? Either we like it or not. technology tí ó produce wá sí oríṣiríṣi nǹkan tuntun àdẹ kò sẹ́ni tẹ́ kọ́ ní ọtí mu ó rọ́bà bẹ́tà kí o máa mú rí kò sẹ́ni tẹ́ fún lọ́tí mu tẹ́ máa fi ní fẹ́dọ̀ bí lọ́la pé ṣó láìkọ̀ tí àbí ó láìkọ̀ tí ó máa sọ fún kóun láìkọ̀ tí ni because ọtí máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí máa jẹ́ kó ṣe àwọn nǹkan bí tí ó lè ordinarily fojú lásán ṣe so technology ó help wa ní ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ area ó ṣàkóbá fún wa ní àwọn area púpọ̀ but ibo láti máa láì máa ń lò tẹ́lẹ̀ studio láti máa ń lò tàbá fẹ́ ṣe record ó fún wa lórí ọ̀fẹ́ àti lo 50 channel recording mixer tàbá gbóríṣiríṣi wọnú ẹ̀ tí record bá wá jáde wọ́n wá ní pé record yìí fantastically ó dùn gan forgetting that over 36 instrumentation or ègbè méjìlá voice méjìlá lẹ́ rí ní onú record kan ẹ̀rí voice méjìlá whereas ẹlẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ tí mo ní òjú méjì lọ ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n gbé different tone wọ́n dẹ̀ gbélé mẹ́fà ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ ìbí náà fúnra mi mo jọ́ ká mo ti ṣe record tó jẹ́ pé èmi nìkan ni mo gbé gbogbo orin ògèdè ọba ẹyẹ I record it in Germany èmi nìkan ni mo gbé gbogbo orin èmi ni mo lead èmi náà mo gbé gbogbo chorus mo lè gbé different tone so record about the studio it gives us opportunity to do many things àwọn tó ń gbọ́ record ló ta kọ̀ nígbà record yìí dùn bẹ́ẹ̀ àbọ̀bọ̀ yìí super performer ṣùgbọ́n ẹ pè sórí stage pé kó wá perform ó máa difficult láti meet up so àwọn artist táwa fẹ́ máa tàbẹ́rù gbígbàjá pé à ń bu ẹnu àtẹ́lù wọn directly but indirectly tá a bá ń sọ tá a bá ṣá láti sọ dáadáa bí bàtà ń bu ẹnu àtẹ́ lò wọ́n ní ipe wọn kérò kiri wọn lè kérò kiri because number one tó bá wòye tó bá involve kò sí musician àti promoter tó kó 26 piece band kúrò láti Nàìjíríà lọ sí Amẹ́ríkà kò lè jèrè musician leader kan àti band yẹn kọ̀ọ̀kan náà ò lè jèrè wọ́n kọ̀ máa ṣiṣẹ́ wọ́n níṣẹ́ ni because kòkó ọbẹ̀ tẹ̀sí fún èèyàn 50 I mean sorry ẹni tó ní ìyàwó mẹ́rin ọmọ mẹ́ẹ̀ẹ́dógún àti oníyàwó kan ọmọ méjì tẹ̀sán same salary fún wọn same appointment níbi iṣẹ́ kan náà ara wọn máa dán jùlọ àwọn lọ ojú wọn máa dán ẹ máa ráwọn ọmọ wọn máa yá dáadáa jùlọ àwọn lọ èèyàn gba 100,000 salary oníyàwó mẹ́rin already ó ti dẹ́rù gbọ̀gbọ̀ ó dẹ̀ lọ́mọ 15 colleague kejì tọ́jọ́ 100,000 naira ìyàwó kan ṣe lóní àtọmọ méjì ó ti ṣúọ̀ jù ẹ máa rí ìyàtọ̀ láàrin àwọn méjèèjì ẹ wá púpọ̀ pé kò ń lù ẹni kò sùn dáadáa báwo ló yẹ fẹ́ sùn dáadáa ó ti gbẹ́rù kọjá ẹ̀mí ẹ̀ náà so a band that has 28 piece band tó fẹ́ máa jáde lójoojúmọ́ tí wọ́n fowó pè wá lọ sókè ṣọ̀tọ̀ tí ń ṣe ìyàwó wọ́n wá ní òkè interlude tí ìyàwó bá fẹ́ wọlé ẹgbẹ́ jẹ́ àìwọlé àmì jẹ́ wọn wọlé àbíkẹ́gbẹ́ Dámídé wọlé àbíkẹ́gbẹ́ Davido wọlé lóòótọ́ wọ́n gbé Davido wà bẹ̀rù 15 million naira mú tó mú ní pàtí ló ń ṣe gidi ló ń fowó ẹ̀ṣẹ́ but we are not talking about I'm sorry èmi àti ọ̀rẹ́ mi ó lè já push ní ọ̀tọ̀tọ̀ lá fún I am not talking about that èmi fẹ́ kéèyàn sọ goes on required amount of money for me to go and perform somewhere and tells me Alhaji I'm sorry I don't want people to spray in my party I like it ó fún mi ní tó bá ti sọ required money fún mi kò possible ṣe kí ọ̀fi 6 million kò fi pè mí sí occasion tó bá yẹ pé báwọn ṣe bá iṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́ àwọn ọ̀gá ti wà rẹ́kọ́nà tó fi pín owó 50-50 náà pẹ̀lú owó yẹn that is when I collected 6 million naira I will use part of it for instrument half of the remainder after instrument and transportation I'll do it 50-50 for the band and myself so báwọn ní ṣe máa pín 6 million 1 million fún instrument àti transportation 5 million ló kù mo dá sí méjì èmi mú 2.5 mo kó 2.5 fún àwọn band mi báwọn náà ṣe ní pé nǹkan dáadáa káàdìbọ̀dì máa dùn ó pàtí pàpà so why ìgbẹ́ pẹ́ láyé àtijọ́ nítawọn hate táwọn fi revolutionize music nìyẹn àwọn socialite ìgbà yẹn máa fọ́ sọ ìyàwó díẹ̀ mú lọ́tí máa ń gbó nílùú manager mo máa tójú bọ́lé káàkiri ni èmi ni manager KSA èmi ni manager kìnìkan èmi ni manager kìnìkan throughout my musical career, I never do that. Because I want every one fee. I want to for to develop when you do on the social life. Chief Clinic on the manager KSC. Oh, okay, manager will coordinate left for me. Let me convention on the 14th of April, July 2017, date 2018. Manager to consulate. Manager to announce for Gakwe at Pilesa, Chief Landley. I want to say, what it's a high profile social life. What it cancelled about it needed only for them to discover that to the month of February, don't prepare for road star, the later March, and see April, not discover that Chief Landley will be doing Mutino or Emo, because of one but the truth of the matter is, somebody approached me July last year for a show on the 14th. Oh, that is on 6 million naira for me. Oh, God, I don't lose. I want what I could have saw to my co-development by share what I progress by share what I'm sewing. Only I'm a few every other taban sewing, my people want Nigerian beauties in general, lower gold line. I think our subsidiary organization to support Komoyi. Only the chef Veki music kuni, but the Veki music all that you know. As a matter of fact, only go by the one promote Fuji to Bama, Ariane Pete, Lojaki, Emidunusi, Nigerian tourists. And I just say what you should one know what you don't tell in Nigeria, one man know that if you are going to that's what you feel that I like one by him. Ṣùgbọ́n pàtó ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní sponsor gbogbo àwọn ọkọ̀ báyìí tó ti ṣe gbogbo nǹkan yìí inú wa ń dùn ó fún wa ní opportunity àwọn artist wa wọ́n discover talent wọ́n ṣe wọ́n ṣe nǹkan èmi náà dẹ̀ ready láti fi gbogbo tọ́nu mi àti gbogbo ara mi sínú nǹkan báyìí ṣe.
àtẹ́wọ̀ wọn dà.
So keep on how to organize seminar upon seminar ẹ má jẹ́ kí seminar yìí I said it last year don't let this seminar be a yearly thing to ẹgbẹ́ once in a year last year last summer. It was only last year. Then, no one seminar no year. What you doing? What you died the last year? Though great controversy. Let me organize on to the 1 year or one twist or but about twist or you better. And even describe the start either dead or alive. Go back here. I'm actually to allow him to describe the start to go to some. It was away to one year. You follow me. Fact, Connie, or what my bad relationship, what it's like, my marriage. Take it over the so, anybody twist or if I get a buy like where we have twist or to the illusion is sort of then walk off frame and do it to my people here. So, the truth of it is, I'll tell you, so I'm moving where answer to Wafu. And I'm sure to I bet you and then go outside. It might possibly not answer it much like that.
I will not take hours, okay, sir.
I took permission from you and I did answer that, and that is what this seminar and conference we are doing is all about. We need to educate more, each other more very, very well. And to go along, Nigerian business once again, keep on doing this, and please, we will be 100% behind every cause that you initiated along the line of developing Nigerian music to standard. Because, if possible, you need to convince us if you are selling go back in Nigeria. How many go back do you sell in Nigeria that will warrant you go and bring Usher from America to come and perform here? The artists for American produce merchant will never come to take Nigerian artists. They won't do that. So I think you are doing the right thing, and God shall bless and shall bless the establishment. So please keep on doing this and give us this seminar to educate our artists, promoters, record label and everything, to educate them more better, not just once in a year thing, please. I repeat this year also, not just once in a year thing. Let it be probably quarterly. Educate us, do seminars here and there. If you call it for 1 year, call us, tell us, prepare us on time. We will go there. We want to build a standard music industry, an industry that will never die. Regardless of politics or political aspiration any individual is trying to put in, Don't look that. Do your own so that history will judge you and your tenure at the helm of Afia when you are running this organization for Nigerian Buildings of Gold Park. History will judge you and talk about you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.